Hello everyone, my name is Nilanjan Das. Today I'm going to teach about the Governor Generals of India. So let's start. The first Governor General of India was Lord William Bentinck from the year 1826 to 1835. He was the most liberal and enlightened amongst all the Governor General of India. He was regarded as the father of modern Western education in India. He was the first and also the last Governor General of India. He signed the Treaty of Friendship with Ranjit Singh in 1831, annexed Coorg in 1834 and Central Kashgar in 1831. The Carter Act of 1833 was passed during his reign. Next, Sir Charles Metcalfe from 1835 to 1836. He held the post temporarily. He removed the restriction on the vernacular press. He passed the famous press law which liberated the press in India. He is known as the liberator of press. Came Lord Auckland from 1836 to 42. Some important events of his regime included the outbreak of First Afghan War and signing of the tripartite treaty among the English, Ranjit Singh, Shah Shuja of Afghanistan. During his reign, Ranjit Singh died in 1839. Lord Auckland was followed by Lord Ellenborough in 1842 to 44. His period is known as the end of First Afghan War and the annexation of Sindh to the British Empire in 1843. Abolished slavery. Sindh was annexed by Charles Napier. He was appointed as the first governor of Sindh. After Lord Ellenborough came Lord William Wilberforce Burt in 1844, who held the post temporarily. Came Lord Hardinge in 1844 to 1848. The most important event of his rule featured the First Sikh War from 1845 to 46 and the Treaty of Lahore, abolition of female infanticide and human sacrifice, and emerging colleges was established in Roorkee in 1847. Next came Lord Dalhousie in 1848 to 1856. He was the youngest Governor General of India. He is famous for doctrine of lapse. The Second Burmese War took place because Dalhousie desired to exclude all other European power from Burma. The Second Anglo-Sikh War ended the Sikh power and Punjab was annexed. He became the separate Governor-General appointed for Bengal. Shimla made the summer capital. In his military reforms included artillery headquarters moved from Calcutta to Meerut, army headquarters shifted to Shimla, formation of Gorkha regiments. Few other reforms were the Caste Disabilities Removal Act in 1850, Religious Disabilities Act in 1856, abolished titles and pensions, Widow Remarriage Act 1856, Santhal Uprising from 1855 to 56, the Carter Act in 1853, establishment of separate public work department in every province, and the Ganges Canal declared open in 1854. Then came the last Governor General of India, Lord Canning. He annexed Awadh, enactment of Hindu Widow Remarriage Bill in 1857, establishment of universities as Calcutta, Madras and Bombay. The revolt of 1857 happened during his reign. General Service Establishment Act in 1856, it mandated Bengal Army to serve even outside the country. Thus, it is the end of the Governor General of India. I hope you like this video. Please give a like and do subscribe to the channel History Lessons. Thank you.